Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. We have another Chevy truck, but you know, we've looked at them, we've looked at more, and we still can look at even more, and they're all unique. Every single one was always unique. Whether or not it was cowlings, details, whatever, they're always unique. Yeah, they were produced in the hundreds. Rex Salavage Customs. Ooh. I would judge that that's probably going on right now. Check out this. Here's the dashboard. And the upholstery. Nice upholstery.
It's pulled up about there.
And then there's the bed. Oh, wow. That is a nice looking bed. Oh!
No rust in it at all.
Now check that out. The owner pulled it back for us to take a look at the actual bed bottom. Nice.
Take a look at this. That's where they usually rust out, right there.
Yeah.
You can see it's starting to think about it, but...
And that's where several holes were occasionally made, too, for double tanks.
That's all solid.
Yep.
It's all solid there.
Nice.
Solid there.
You got lucky. And you've done a lot of good restoration here. Let me know what you think in the comment sections down below. And if you know more about this, or if this happens to be your vehicle, tell me more about it. Tell me a story about it. Let me know. I'll add it to the comment description section up above if it's yours. Until next time, this is Willis signing off.